What's up, Tech Nation? All right, so anyway, wow, I need a shave. I should have shaved for this video. Anyway, hold on a minute. There we go. That's much better. Like that? Yeah, much cleaner. Okay, so my problem is with the iPhone IOS14, okay? When you go to record something, lots of times when I'm at a restaurant, I will turn the light on my phone. Well, I think I got it right here. I'll turn the light on. See, the light's on right now. Okay, I will turn the light on my phone, and then I will start filming. I will use the LED light to light up the food that I'm filming. Well, if I'm in a well-lit room, the new operating system decides whether you get a light on for filming or not. You can turn it on permanently for photos, but not video. Do you understand? Okay, try and do it if you're on iOS 14. Hold it up to a light where you don't need the flash on, and go to camera, go to video, and then try to turn the light on. You can't. You keep touching the lightning bolt. It goes on and off, but it doesn't let you keep it on permanently. I know what you're thinking, right? I've done this too. So basically, I have turned the flashlight on and then gone to the camera, swipe, swipe. Where's the camera? And it goes off as soon as I get into camera mode. So I figured a way around this. Hold on a minute. Let me make sure my, yeah, it's off. Okay, so I figured a way around this. I know how to game the system. So this is what you got to do. It's a workaround until Apple gets their act together, which could be forever, could never get fixed. So this is how you do it. I'm going to show you on the phone. You ready? All right. There we go, and pop into your camera. You can see I've got the camera going right now. See, there's no light. See the shadow of my phone right now? There's no light on right now, okay? If I want the light on, you have to put the phone down all the way on the table to where it's completely dark. Why are people bothering me right now? All right, see the lightning bolt up above? That means if it needs it, like see I blocked out the camera? The light gets forced on, and then you have to start. So let's go, oh, I'm not even on video. Let's go over to video real quick. Okay, so let's say you're gonna film sideways, okay? You're gonna set your film down to force that lightning bolt to go on. Then when it's on, hit record. Now the light's on. See the light's on my table? The light's on my hand, okay? So now that's how the light, and it stays locked on. Now it's on. So you got the light on. So as soon as I turn it off, but had I lifted it up and started recording, see, it's not on now. It's not on at all. I can't get the light on. So the way to fool it is to block out the camera, lay it on the table, and start recording. And there you go. The light is now on, and you could film up close whatever you want. That's the workaround, guys. That's how you do it. So if there's any other issues, feel free to let me know. But basically, it's the one issue that I'm having trouble with is the camera light keeping it on. That's how you trick the phone into allowing you to have the camera light on. Take care, guys. See you on the next episode.